So, Andy, I know we've been listening to customers and getting feedback on how to make the user experience better. And I think we've got some exciting news and a new feature coming out that you want to talk about today.
Yeah. Thanks, Chuck. So one of the newest improvements that we're bringing to the Blue Triangle portal is a refreshed left nav. So users are used to the traditional left nav that we've had in the portal for years now. And we're kind of adding new features and functionality to improve the overall usability of this. So let me share my screen and kind of walk you through what we've added. Okay, so now when you come to the Blue Triangle portal, if you click on the upper left-hand corner where it says menu, you'll see this option where it says show new menu. Customers can opt into this however they please. They can use the traditional menu or they can opt into this new menu. And once they hit show new menu, it'll ask you to switch. And once you do, you'll see a refresh left nav. We've added 3 main components to this, the first being favorites. Now users can actually go in and create a personalized left nav. This will kind of streamline their processes and help them pin pages that they traverse to their left nav. So now what users can do is they can actually go into the portal, navigate to whatever page they like. So let's say, for example, you're a power user of Blue Triangle and you use Revenue Calculator a lot or our revenue capabilities a lot. You can actually go to that page and click on the little pin icon next to that page to add it to your favorites. This way, you don't need to go to the main menu to get to it. You can just go to your favorites and get to this page very quickly. Let me do this a little bit differently. So view full menu, CSB and content governance, optimize, domain details. If you pin this, go back, you'll now see it right here. The other features that we've added as well is we've also added a search feature. Now, whenever you want to get to a specific page in the portal, you can just go to the search and type in that specific page. Let's say, for example, you don't use the CSP section a lot, but you want to go in and update your CSP. You can click on search and type in that specific page, and we'll actually narrow down the list and show you whichever pages match that search term. This will help kind of find things a lot quicker and streamline the workflow and, identify where to get to essentially. The last, which is my personal favorite, is we've introduced templates. So what the templates do is there's different roles that are going to use the Blue Triangle portal. There's going to be native app personas, marketing personas, product marketers, so on and so forth. Now what you can do is you can actually set templates based on what the person's role is. So for example, here are some of the roles that we have available to you. If you click on the pencil icon, you can click on settings and you can actually see all the different roles available. So here you can see that we have roles for default, synthetic, CSP, native app, so on and so forth. But ultimately what happens is whenever you click on any one of these roles, the menu reorganizes and only shows you relevant menu items for that specific role, right? So this way we simplify the user experience and we kind of consolidate the menu to be very relevant to the specific user's role. So they don't have to kind of go digging for that specific page or the specific section that they care about.
So if they select a template like that, can they then further customize it and go pin their favorites in addition to that?
Yes. So all these templates that you see here are fixed. Everything that you do from a favorites aspect, it's personalized to your liking. So you can do favorites on top of the additional templates as well.
So in the end, everybody can have the menu that makes the most sense to them, that takes all the features they use most often, puts them in a ready to click place. And then when they have to go do that, one thing they do rarely, they can go search for it, go find it, and go use that.
That is correct. And the other cool thing about this too is they can also kind of reorganize in which order these things appear. So let's say, for example, they pin something and they want to change the order, right? They want to drag the bottom all the way to the top or vice versa. If they click on the edit, they can actually change the order by dragging and dropping things wherever they like. So not only can you customize that, but you can also change the order and do things to your liking. But ultimately, this will help you kind of get to where you want very quickly.
And so for existing power users, they may find it takes a little effort at first to get it customized, but if they do that, it should save them time over time as they use it.
Yep, that's correct. Change is, it takes a lot of adjustment, but once you get adjusted to it, we think that this will have great benefits to the overall user experience and provide great benefits to our power users who have been in the portal for a long time now.
Well, it looks great, Andy. Thanks for coming on and sharing that. And be sure to check out the blog article on this for more information about when that goes live and how you can get access to it.